Hello, so this will be a short presentation of how you use the Lepsi watch scope and with Android, and here you see it's Sony Xperia Z3, and here is the watch that we're going to measure, which is a Roger Dupuis X42, and this is the Lepsi we're going to use for the demonstration. So how do we use the Lepsi? So first of all, we have to make sure that the Lepsi is well connected. So here we will just connect the Lepsi. Check. We plug the Lepsi to the cable. So you see that the cable is connected with the Sony. So it's very important that both connections are really plugged. Then we just start the Sony up. All right, and we'll see that we'll just start the watch scope app. So when we start the watch scope app, what do we have? We have that menu. This is a menu of the watchmaker mode, and it will give us all the information about the watch. So if we want to start the Lepsi, we have just to put the watch on the Lepsi. We have to make sure that here the sensor is on the black part and the middle of the black part of the Lepsi. So we have just to make sure that the Lepsi sensor is well connected to the watch like this. So we put it dial down, which is correct thing. Could you we also could put the Lepsi like this. All right, like this. And it's also works. It even works better with quiet watches because you have better sounds underneath the watch than on the dial. But this will work if we just put the watch like this for the demonstration. So we plug the cable. We just put the watch on the Lepsi. We're now ready to start. So to start, just press start, and then we're gonna start with the 20 seconds of stabilization. Then what you saw is here the image changed, so it means that the frequency has been detected. And after 20 seconds of stabilization and then 10 seconds of measurement, you see all the information that appears. So what we see is that here the watch is 3 seconds late. Per day, so it's losing 3 seconds per day, but with good amplitude, we see that the amplitude is 320 degrees, so it's very good amplitude, and a bit error of 0.2 milliseconds, so quite a good bit error, no problem with that. And if we're continuing, we see that here we're continuing measuring during the whole time, so we see that the measurement is quite stable during the time, and we could stay like this multiple times. All right, that will stop the measurement. So just press start, stop, and we're gonna just go in the parameter to see what we can have in the parameter. So just to go to parameter, we just press here and we go in parameter. So in parameter, what do we have? So watchmaker mode, we just had watchmaker mode on. If we just unload watchmaker mode, I will just go, if you go in quick measure, all right. So this is the standard mode without watchmaker. It means that in that mode is more simpler. Yeah, it's a simpler mode for beginners. So you only have the accuracy of the watch with stars. So if the watch is plus or minus 5 seconds per day, it will be a very good watch. So it will mean 4 stars. Plus or minus 10 seconds per day, it's kind of good watch, so 3 stars. Plus or minus 20 seconds is only 2 stars. All right. Then if we go back to parameter, we have also continuous analysis. So in the continuous analysis, it will just, if it's on, it will go on and on until you stop the measurement. If the measurement continuous analysis is off, it means that after 30 seconds the measurement will stop. Cloud backup, it will just record all your file in the cloud. So if you change your device, you can just have to all your data are backed up in your cloud. If you want to change the logo of the PDF, just choose the PDF logo, and underneath you have the calibration. So it means that the calibration has been made on that device. So if we're gonna go further, we also can go to collection mode. And in the collection mode, you have all the data we've made with that, not only with that device, but also with other device, because the cloud is on. So it, when you measure something with that device, also record your measurement in your other devices. So that's what we have. And when we just see what we have in that watch, then you have all the values of all the measurement we've made with that watch. So we've seen that we've made measurement in May, then we also made measurement in August of that watch. Here you have the frequency and the last measurement we made on that watch. If you don't want to see the value but a graph of what the measurement we've made, just press graph. That's what you have. Alright, so it's kind of easy to use. And then the last thing you can do is also to make a report. And the report, it will just create a PDF report of all the measurements we've made on that watch that you can send, or you can email to your friends, email and send, or anything, or save to your Dropbox. So this is PDF. To go back to the app, just go back. Okay, so and I went back. All right, so when it's over, we can just go back to quick measurement. All right, no, we were gonna just choose the right watch, and then go to quick measure, and we're gonna start a new measurement. So it just said that the record went wrong because the Wi-Fi is not on that device right now. So it means that the cloud is not working for now on. But as soon as we have Wi-Fi, the cloud will work. And after 30 seconds measurement, we'll have all the information about that watch. So we see that once again, that watch is losing about 3 seconds per day. So that's what we know. And that's what you see, we have 4 stars. So this is a good watch. All right. So as you saw, this measurement was quite different because we're not in stored mode, in standard mode, so not all the information, and the continuous analysis was off, so the measurement stopped by itself. We didn't have the graph, it just stopped by itself. Right, so that's how you use the Lepsi watch scope in a simple video.